Introducing Rodda Paint's best-selling Super 2 high-performance interior paint. This dynamic ultra-premium paint and primer-in-one is formulated with the latest acrylic waterborne technology to deliver a high-quality designer finish with outstanding washability, fast-drying, and low VOCs with low odor, making it perfect for interior walls, doors, woodwork, and trim, especially for high-traffic surfaces. With higher volume solids for better hide and coverage, Super 2 HP has been tested and rated for high performance, and its touch-up properties are best in class. Customers expect painted walls and trim to wash well and stand up to everyday bumps and scuffs, and Super 2 HP far exceeds expectations. Exceptional durability and stain resistance, complemented with excellent flow and leveling and superior adhesion to both porous and non-porous surfaces, make Super 2 HP the best choice over oil-based paints and previously stained wood surfaces. When product quality is important to you, Super 2 is the go-to coating to ensure outstanding application performance and guaranteed customer satisfaction. It even allows DIY applicators to produce a beautiful, professional finish. This paint does the thinking for you. Try it and see for yourself.